Begging no too abstract. So if I'm do me two, I'm gonna do my. I got to take off them and do my fingernail fresh. Carry it up little. Do it look a bit taller. I do it said we are short, said we are so. And do back my toe, take up, no I refill them, I just choose over the nail. Do over my toe, do the filter and put on my ear. Do my makeup, put on my clothes, put on my perfume. Come here, come do my birthday job. When me leave and reach the place, I go live. I'm still long and hard and talk and eat. And that's it. And that's it. June 12, and that's it. June 12. Get up on my page, June 12. That's just it. Nah, I don't know. Okay, rude boy.
I pick up. Why Rosealee I take some long pick up? I understand she.
I'm not put them at Chudar, she still has any request, you know. You saw them brazen. You know, I'm not playing them at Chudar, she still has any request. I'm gonna look 2 book, of course. Rum out and enjoy, yes, man. Drink 2 rum and feel nice and come sing and, you know. That's fucking it. That's just it. Me not sure, man, me not playing a match. I talk to the people them. Right now, me I look 25K if you go up in my ranking. I'm not playing a match with them. Match no more about team. I'm not playing a match with them. You understand me supposed to be on platform and play a match with a candy. I'm not playing a match with no more party boy, you know your kitty class me. You know your ticky class me and come talk on my bad mind him. And Rosealee want bad mind girl. And Rosealee want bad mind girl. Me will look at you and tell her say, come that day, come slung and play a match bad mind. The last time I say please. Hear me. Then Rosealee knows a cuss to bring me girl. I said don't paint that image about me. Don't play that image about me. Class all you want on the internet. Whether you want go so or no want go so. I don't give a fuck. But don't come here come paint that image about me being bad mind. I feed into it. Till it can come out of your mouth when people type it. When people type it, it's not so bad. But when you go say it out of your own mouth, me not like that. I don't like that. You go say me I want bad-minded girl. I mean I say me bad-mind you. When most say when I get your page I get banned. I say Rosealee, you know my page get banned. Make a look at page and come back live. I say alright, Tiki go and go do your thing. But still long answer to you say Tiki come live in a day, come make me here play too much. Me and last night him over Canada tell them say cuss to bring that means you are a liar. But I Tiki not know what you say, no cut me to the core. You look at me and tell me some bad mind. Cause number one, if I even class my pity them don't know your name never spoken. So when you ask you just a chat. I'm just lawyer make a chat. Me not feed pan that. Me Me not feed pan that. Me not feed pan that. You understand? Me not feed pan like you don't know them, they don't know you. You and them never spoken to you, can always say what you wanna say. But when I go come out and say, my neck, I'm fix a piece of pillar shit. When I go come out and say Rosealee, I want bad-minded girl, I may try to do a help you. But so you say, look, build a page. You don't know me. If I'm a friend, I'm keep an official match. Maybe reach out and throw something game too. Me recharge and go throw some gear too. If you're my friend and you keep something, me recharge and go throw something gear too. But we still don't play with I use my other phone and my gift pan and throw something gear too. That me know. Me recharge, but me still don't play with that recharge by my other phone and throw something gear too. Me would do that. But when I go sit down and look in the eyes of the people in Panington, they go let me know say, me bad mind, all me want to what the best say you. No papa, me not play with no more. So I don't know why she has sent me request. Cause me not play with she neither. Oh me if them come class me and tell me I'm big and shit, but that's the thing. Me not play with them my love. Me can't sit down and talk. And if I broke her hungry, I say the hot girl in the chat can beg on $100. Me know say Father God must send somebody to send me if me hungry. Yeah. I want to beg me there I beg $100 all long and I like go to 1,000 people. And Father God could and Father God to get one woman send $300 3 different times. The woman said 100 and she said 100 again and she come back in the afterwards and I said, did you reach your goal? I'm saying, yeah man. And she say, I sent something. God bless her later I'm going to bed. One woman sent $300. Someone else saying that the midfield, Father God must send somebody for help. I'm not playing no match with them. I'm going with them. I go. I'm tired of the bring down. If you get 2 rows, Shani, thank you. I'm tired of the bring down for beg 2 rows. At 2 rows, you are beg and I'm bringing off 2 rows, we are beg 2 rows. I'm tired of the bring down. No, for true, Shani. Oh shit. I left the razor and it's the same place. But I can't do it tomorrow. But tired of the bring down for beg 2 rows. So that me that say, me not really do nothing special for my birthday. But just I go eat something and come back home. Come sit down with you now. Play too much with Candy. Sit down and talk, play too much with Candy. Run my little joke, that's it. Somebody can't beg no one live goal. So that's the 2 money I say. I play a match with them, me. And when Candy gonna praise them over there. No, I'm not going to that.
I'm going to be able to
Have the match. Sonny, what's up? I'm not playing a match with her. Where you take out the match for?
No, I mean I try connect. When me reach one back then, I want go one back then now. You don't know as me reach you now, hear me uncle now. Or your mouth stink of weeds. Let us smoke weed. Me say me! Uncle say no man, your mouth stink of weeds, so. You just sleep boy, so you know, yeah. All me need to say, you want somebody kiss me, but me I don't do it lick you, bro.
You ever talk to somebody kiss you?
This a man kiss me, remember the dog rubbing like a fish. The man rubbing for broke out fish. Me say, girl, me stand up and make the man a beat me. Hear him to me now. One night bathroom. You see, when me and them say go in the bathroom, go to bed, me know the electric wire coming for me. Give me a beat. You see, when me see the electric blood clot wire, girl, me just go, girl, when you come back on the electric wire, the fall out, it's how the dog come. the dog come and bite up into our blood clot. Them have a leg on me.
Thank you. No for true chat, I'm not playing with them.
Oh, we got to know book one day.
I'm alone, I'm not playing with them.
I got to buy a piece of chicken. So my feel
What a son.
and I got to buy a piece of chicken. You have a whole heap of people telling about the same family, you know. I say one day I got to buy a piece of chicken. Come and say more buy a piece of chicken, so one man is and turn and say to me, say, if I can buy one 3-piece cream and buy one for myself. It's alright, me go to buy it and give me $5,000. When me reach in the KFC place, I buy 2 3-piece. Buy one for him and one for me. From change it, come back. So I say, alright, is he a change? And man say, no, I can't check it. Brown man, give me a number. And me give him a number. You know, when man call me, say that he has let me say, I like him like him. I want to fuck me and my post. And now the man not tell me I have 1 foot, you know. Hey! Boy! Yeah, no man not tell me I have 1 foot, you know, mama. I still think I'm one nice man in a car, big man. You know, mama, a nice big man.
4 rows, sir.
Think like drunk, you know. He say me and the mother meet up on Friday. So when me and him meet up the Friday, me never know say him want put in a him bag. Me think him want me.
4 rows shot.
Me put on a blood clad G-string, you see. I say when me done, me not a battle wall creases. I know rub out your battle wall and then something.
Triple.
It look like you know be here, that's surgery.
Triple chat.
And me and the man for the meet up. When me and the man go to meet up and
Ronnie, what's up, baby? Triple chat.
you know, say the man there in the house. Anyway, my boss the hotel and go in. He say bring liquor. So me and him dead now. I drink liquor and everything.
The money gone. Triple chat.
And look for me and say, it look like you have a big door. So when the man look for me and say, it look like you have a big door. When I say that, I mean that to be straight. Man pull my pants. And when he pull my blood clot pants, he draw down my pants. Then he start and then he say, what is he saying now? I'm say, I'm up there and
triple chat, the banana money gone. Chain, running, triple chat.
You fuck me.
Guys running long.
One foot
chat, shoot. Snipe the triple chat, snipe it.
The man draw down my blood clot. I start suck mood and the man start suck mood and I start wind up in my mouth. And me I wind up in my mouth. Me hear him go so he say, hold on there. And then I see the man go so and take out the fast teeth. Put somebody put my blood clot. The man have fast teeth in my mouth. The man take out the fast teeth and put on for it. But you have fast teeth now. Me I say, alright, lad got a fast teeth. Somebody will sketch back for bite and start wind back in my mouth and then sketch back. Wish the fast teeth supposed to me because me I want to love to work out the teeth, the bracket and the teeth put on. They know alone come that come here. When me look now, the man goes to lock off the light. Lock off the light, but he said me for come put the cat in the hole. Anyway, I put on the cat. When we put on the condom, we start wet up the wood. When we start wet up the wood, we start eating the wood in the control. And then we start ram out the battery wall and ram out. But the man have 1 foot, me never know. Say, look like him have feel uncomfortable every minute. Yeah, but this man have feel uncomfortable. So me have to turn that turn. Then we start cooking. Come here, something drop a ground near Brook. Y'all, you know what the false foot drop a ground and me don't know, man.
Guys want a snipe.
Yeah, me I do my thing same way. Me I do my thing same way. Me I
snipe chat.
When me I look for the man.
Snipe chat.
When me I look for the man.
Snipe chat. Snipe chat.
Me not see no blood.
Snipe chat. The girl with the pan alive. Go recharge.
Me chop out.
Stop it from help.
That's great. Why? I didn't fish.
Honey, thank you. Honey, Vanessa.
Man in a black cloth.
Really.
Man put pack up in foot and sing.
Thank you, guys. Shanta! Come here.
one little piece of pigtail on the leg, mama. So the man have on the false foot drop a grung and me I look at the man. Flip it up to put cocky in.
You got beard.
When me look at one little piece and no. So when me turn it.
First push up the door.
Vomit.
You have vomit for?
Rosealee, me never know one foot the man have one little piece of
You
pigtail.
fuck too much.
On your leg.
That you fuck too much.
Me never go with them the type of people they hate for me. I don't feel uncomfortable. All they come fly up with me back.
Me not come.
No!
Power taps chat.
Neither him. Rosealee, you know how it feels to see you put somebody the fast food drop off and a wheel up your foot, your leg. And it's a little piece of pigtail and me a look see your foot now for you and put up for your foot and the buck up a little piece of leg. They are the same. Chat begging the tooth down.
They're full of story though.
Chat begging the tooth down, please. Is
Yeah,
that
back home?
pigtail, son? No man, chat. Send up a live goal. Me not drop no more words. Send up a you have a nice one for good.
No fuck not going tonight. By the planting.
When me slide in at the come, you know, and a ball out.
No fuck not going tonight.
And then the boy say no shh. And me just
Where you say no fuck not going tonight? That's your speed chat. No fuck not going tonight. Somebody I call you 4 roast chat. One more roast chat.
come guys, send up a live goal. No,
Guys, we're gonna sump on it double, yeah. Double chat.
Who give me that bike that a while ago? Somebody give me a bike a while ago. When me that talk before. Who did give me that
Double
bike?
chat.
Chat double.
Chin, thank you.
Chat
Double
double.
chat.
Oh, Alex did give me. Alex give me. Like
Double chat. Chino can't make it one live goal, Chin.
Thank you for that, kid.
Chino can't make it one live goal, Chin, Miguel. Double chat.
Anything to make you laugh, that sweet you.
Guys, nobody on the double.
Somebody else begging us something to come over dealing the live goal and drop back to the story.
Double chat.
Come over dealing the live goal and drop back to the story. Thank you. Come over dealing to the story again and drop back. One man you know wake up. When we wake up, one man you have a batch. That's batch. The man in the walk here, in the bathroom, about please. Thank you for that, baby girl. Thank you so much, sweetie. How your girl live? I first went to the Afro area. Or I change to her. So I'm gonna follow that girl, I know.
What?
One of them here, them one married in I know.
Listen.
One married in I one of them. I love it.
Sure, it's my life, by the way, I'm about something ready for. Sure.
Thank you for that, baby girl.
What I say,
Dolly? Dolly, you can't beg something, Dolly? Dolly, you can't beg something. My girl, now why don't me a yai for me? I'm a love. What black yeah. AAFFE, have a great day. Over so.
Nobody can keep on the life can reach her. Guys, we're gonna so we can get to 100K like.
Pussy shame body head. That we can get the rest of life golem. And then we'll move along again. That we can get the rest of life golem.
The man needs some now, LOL.
When man don't mash up you.
Play money, you know, me have to block your lift up here.
It's everybody. I must smash him or mash up you.
So every night me have to fuck.
Then him not the God gotta do different things that you not like.
Could you turn it down a little, please? What are you talking about? Want me to turn down?
If you not give him that stray,
Yeah.
I might as well give him.
Man, I turn on the fan because I not get nothing. So someone gonna go on a 400 what a fake page me have here, so 400 what a fake page me have here, so I not turn down nothing. Go on, become black or no.
This see my friend here will take fucking our body serious. See my friend here. What man? See my friend here will take fucking our body. What
Right.
man?
Jet.
My friend here will take fucking our body.
I never tap me now get where you got them about turn down the fan.
Baby, what you me encourage her say don't fucking your body because you have a belly. Our baby father always fuck her in her body. But from she catch your belly, but till I say don't move around though. Again. Then what she's doing around.
No active, that's some robberies. Nobody else is not active. 400 people not active. Can't get 2 live goal. We can't try go up in a ranking.
4 was track. 4 was track. 4 was track. 4 was. Like that. Gonna bring me a 20 yet now. You can't bring me a top 20.
4 was shot.
I try reach top 20, please. Top 20 me I try.
4 was shot.
I try reach top 20.